Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Mazda BT 50 XT dual cab ute, stock reference number 5269. Shape runs from the 10th month 2011 through to the 8th month 2015. It has a P5 AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. P5 AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right hand headlight, a set of aftermarket 16-inch D-hole steel mags with good tyres, left hand side step sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets, left power door mirror, left rear door has one small dent, left rear 16 by 8 steel D-hole with a good tyre, factory fitted sports bar with all fittings, left hand tail light, tidy rear bumper, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module, right hand tail light, right rear 16 by 8 -3 D-hole steel mag with a good tyre sold as a set, right hand side step with all bolts and brackets sold as a pair, right rear door has one small dent, right front door has one small dent, right guard appears to have no damage, right power door mirror, and a right front 16 by 8 -3 King's D-hole steel wheel with a good tyre. Driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Front seats are a little bit faded. Center console lid, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.